Welcome to American Roots. We're out here at Lake Pleasant, enjoying the weather today.
That was a duck just flew by your head.
Doing one more thing to get a little freer than we were yesterday. So those of you that are just joining us, we have recently sold our house and paid off all of our credit card debt in one more effort to live life more free. One thing that we're looking to do is to buy land and relocate. We want to buy a homestead and we want to raise our own animals and become as self-sustainable as possible. Now, without trying to go into fear, there's a whole lot going on right now. It's no secret that the economy is scary. Every day it seems like it gets worse. If not worse, it seems to get more, almost no pun intended, hyperinflated on the way that they talk about it. They want to make us fearful of what they're doing. That way we won't do things that are good for us. So I just want to encourage you to just keep trying to get debt free in any way that you can. I heard Economic Ninja say, can we save money from going out to eat and maybe make dinner at home and to put that money that we would spend on eating out towards paying our car down a little bit more? And that made Joe and I kind of think, that's the next thing we need to tackle is our car loans. We have 2 trucks. We realized a while ago that we couldn't use a car in the long run, so we bought 2 trucks, and now we're trying to figure out, should we sell them, keep them? But even that market is becoming a little bit crazy. So I would just encourage you to pray and try to figure out what it is that you need to do for you and work every day
Ducks are going to work.
to become more and more free. It seems a little bit daunting of a task when you look at absolutely everything you have to do, because the tentacles get tighter and tighter the more you try to get out. We've realized that this last few weeks. We paid off our credit card debt, and then we ran over a buckle for a tie-down strap, and it punctured our tire, and we had to put new tires on the truck. And it was like, well, that was unplanned for, and boy, have tires increased in price since the last time I bought them. So, just looking at all of that, I think it's really important to just keep encouraging one another and keep working towards your goal of living free. Until next time, we're praying for you, and we pray that you have a blessed day. See you soon.